Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Sam's Club and I'm going to show you guys how I got the Sam's Club free membership. So stay tuned because I'm going to walk you guys into the store to show you how I do it, and then after I show you actually in the store, I'll explain it a little bit further.
Look, Mom. Wow.
Right. Hey guys, so I'm back in the car. I didn't get a chance to show you guys like the actual process while I was in the store because I needed my phone so they could see like my membership number and stuff. But here is my gift card, the $45 gift card. Here is my hard membership card. The other card is on my phone, and then I'm gonna flip the screen around so I can show you the receipt. Here is the receipt for the gift card. New members $45. They take the $45 away, and then they give you the actual gift card. But I'm gonna walk you guys through it in the next clip. I'm gonna walk you guys through actually joining as a Sam's Club member on your phone, so you could get the numbers or the link so you could actually get the gift card. So the first thing you're going to do is hit the link that's in my description box below, and you're going to come up with this screen. You want to type in your email and press get offer. So after you put in your email, you'll get this screen, and you want to click join now. You want to put in all your information. Click continue payment options. You're going to have to pay your $45 up front. Once you pay your $45, you're going to take your club card membership to the member services at Sam's Club, and they'll be able to give you a gift card. But you want to take a screenshot of this page, the one that says join now, so that way you can give them your gift card number.